Everyone is using Coinmarketcap and Coingecko, and that is why everyone is having the same result. To have an edge in the crypto and DeFi market, you need to have a strategic edge over the next guy, and this will allow you to make more money. Here are 3 underrated and straightforward crypto tools that you need to use in 2023 to make your crypto journey easier. 1. Cypher Hunter. This is a free tool that shows you everything happening in the blockchain industry. With this tool, you'll be able to track major crypto investors and portfolios in real time and know what they are selling so that you can take action. Tool number 2 is DeFi Pulse. This is where you're going to see real-time crypto news and events. And also, they have a free academy where you can learn everything you need to know about decentralized finance as a beginner, or even if you just want to learn new things in the space. And finally, Artemis.xyz. This is a major tool that is used to monitor layer 1 blockchains like Ethereum. You can also check developer activities and wallet daily transactions on specific chains. This is like an alternative to DeFi Llama. Use these tools in 2023 to make better, faster, and unique research, and in turn make more money in 2023. Follow for more crypto and DeFi tips like this. Welcome to 2023.